Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to change a battery on the Toyota key fob, remote key fob, and what all you do here is simple. There is this indented spot right there on the key fob. You apply that with a flat tip screwdriver and it's going to pop out the cover of the key fob open just like that. Get the key fob right there, and this little animal here, this is what is carrying the battery, so you need to pop the cover out to access the battery. And as you can read right here on the cover, it says use a flat tip screwdriver only, and therefore we're gonna use a flat tip screwdriver only. Look for another indented spot right there and pop the two cover out just like this. My name is Jeff Carbuoy, so welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. If you already subscribed, thank you guys for your support. I'm almost getting this one out. It might be tough. Probably you're opening it for the first time, and why you change the battery, probably because the remote is not working. So here we go, we have it open right there. So here the most important information is here. Make sure it's CR2025 battery. So the mistake I did here is I went and bought the battery, but I bought the CR2016, which is not gonna work here because mine is 2025, which is a little bit thicker. So don't do this mistake. Make sure you have the right battery, and that's why opening it up is better, so you know what kind of battery you need. So I'm gonna go and return this battery and come with the new battery, which is CR2025. So I already got the CR2025. Let me show you here. See, that's CR2025, and this one is exactly what we need here. Compare the two, make sure they're identical. Here's a 3-volt battery. Now how to remove the battery is using the same screwdriver, and you just push the battery out of the holder just like that. And now we are ready to bring in the new battery. If you're liking this video so far, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned. Make sure you check out my other DIY videos, and thank you guys for your support. So we already got this battery brand new, so make sure the positive side face up, and the positive side is the one that has a writing on it, so make sure it's facing out on the outside. Otherwise, if you do it the other way, it's not gonna work. So from here, we're just gonna put the cover back in place, and it can only go one way, so you can never go wrong with this. Just line up the shapes together like that. And don't quit yet, we still got one more step to do. Every time you fix something, it's always good to test it out. So we're gonna test it out whether it's working. And as you can see, putting it together is easy. Just line it up and place it together. It's gonna clip, snap in place. Make sure it's properly sealed. And now let's test it out. Alright, as you can see, let's see, it's working. This is specifically for Toyota Corolla. I know there are other Toyota vehicles that has different key fobs, so the method is pretty much the same. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so, Stay tuned, more videos are coming up soon.